Hello everyone, welcome back to the AI channel. Today is Friday the 14th, it's 9 a.m. Eastern time, and the AI Systemics bot or algorithm just triggered a long, and I want to show you how everything works. So you can see this is my TradeStation desktop workstation, and you can see here AI Systemics bot just plays along. So I don't know if you see my previous video, but I did a quick demo. It's a short video on my just released new startup, which is AI Systemics. It's an algorithm that trades for you, plays all the stop, handles all the targets, and all the stop management comes included. You just select your risk level and forget about it. So I want to show you in detail how everything works. So the place, I got an alert, I got an email alert. I'm going to show you right now. I got the alert. This is my email. Trade alert, February 14, AISystemics.info send me this email alert. Long position trigger, bought 6 contracts of MES H25, meaning the expiration date is in March. This is the contract, the specific contract with the bot bought. These are the micro S&P 500 futures at 6,129 with 25 cents. That's the price of the contract. So let's double check. And let's go to the trade manager here. And let's see, that's today, the 14 at 8:07. Yes, that's exactly the order that the bot placed. 6 quantity, 6 at 6,129 with 50 cents. And he also put a target limit. So we have a target, he's gonna sell 2 contracts at 6,142, and it already placed a stop, calculate the risk for us. And I put a stop order at 6,084. That's our stop market. If it hits that, we're out. But if it hits 6,142, we're gonna hit two contracts, target number 1, and then it's gonna increase the stop, and you're gonna place another limit order for the next target. That's how it works. You manage everything automatically for you, so you kind of forget about everything. So let's go to the actual bot, and let me show you how you set up the bot. To AISystemics.com, that's the web page to access the latest bot. It's always going to be updated there. Right now I have only I'm providing service to TradeStation, but I'm planning to include, and we're planning to include IBK and other brokers later on. So you can go through the web page and see everything here, or ask me any questions. You can send me an email here. Feel free to contact us here. Just send me an email. You have a detailed frequently asked questions here. I try to put everything, and I also include two kind of guides on how to set up the account on AI Systemics. Obviously, you need to have a TradeStation account, and you need to request your API keys. And then once you have that, you can set up the APIs on the bot here, and I'll show you how to do that as well. All right, so everything is there, all the disclaimers, everything. You can click support and contact me anytime, or you can text the support number and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Let's get into here, sign in. I'm gonna type my password here. All right, and this is my dashboard, okay? The first thing I get is all the alerts are gonna be listed here. Every time the bot places a order, you're gonna get an alert by text or by email, depending on your preference. I have both. So if you see here, this is the main menu. All right, I'm logged in as my demo user. I'm gonna go to settings. This is what you're gonna do. Right now, the algo that is by default is the futures S&P 500 momentum. We'll include more algos as we keep growing. For now, that's the optimal algorithm. It's been optimized, and I've been backtested for 20 years. So I know, and I'll show you some of the results later on. All right, so if you want the bot to place trades on your behalf, just feel free to check here, opt-in auto trades here, just check. This is your time zone. You wanna opt into emails, you just check there. You wanna opt into text alert, and you put your phone number, and then you select the risk level that you want. The bot places trades on your behalf, and the quantity and the number of contracts depends on how much balance you have. So by giving us your APIs, and I'll show you how to set that up, we can check how much available balance you have, and then depending on the minimum requirements of the day in order to trade micro S&P, we'll calculate all that for you. If you use high, we use 100% of the available trading balance. If you use medium, we use 75%, and if we use low, we use 50% of the available balance. All being calculated with the minimum requirements in mind. So all that gets into calculation, and the bot takes all that into account. So you just set the level. I'm gonna set it up at high. So let's go to positions here. So we have right now 6 bought at 6,129.50 cents. That's the average price. That's the cost basic market value. So right now we're making 80 bucks, 82 bucks and 50 cents. That's the P&L. All right, so you can always check your positions there. And also you can go to orders and see the exact orders that the bot placed for you. So today, that was yesterday, today he placed a long six contracts buy here. And then he placed another order with 2 legs. One is the target price for it's gonna sell 2 contracts. Target price at 61.42, and I'll show you in a minute how we calculate all that. And then a stop market of 60.84. So we know exactly. So that's an open order that's still pending. Now, what else I want to show you here? You can get access to your balance here. That's real time for this account that I have. Real-time balance, you get all the detail, buying power, equity available, how much, let's see, balance, let me see, that's how I made yesterday, 295, let's see, open here, and realized profits, right? Right now we're making $105 with those 6 contracts, and it's just open. So let's go and check. One more thing here that I want to show you. Oh, on accounts, this is where you set up your own account. You put and I have a detailed guide on how you do this. But you put your account alias here, the account number, API keys here, secret key, and refresh token. And all is done in this little window. When you set it up, I'll show you how to set this up. You pretty much do that, and then boom, you're connected to TradeStation. And based on these settings that I show you, you're gonna start trading automatically. To the actual desktop and see how we doing. I'll show you the real time. Last 2 weeks here. All right, so right now we're in that trade. We're making $120, and the first target is gonna sell 2 contracts here. And we're gonna make $125 for those 2, and then we keep going, right? The stop limit is down here, and then once we reach that level, it's gonna be moved to the entry price, and so on. The bot is gonna keep raising the stop limit as soon as different targets are gonna be met, right? All right, let's check here. All right, so why the bot placed an order? Well, there are 21 variables and indicators that we use for this advanced algorithm, but I'm gonna show you the very basic ones. These are the moving average that align. You can see this is the, let's see, this 74 is the fast exponential moving average, and the slow is 260. Those are the fast one cross over the slow one, so that's a positive. Then we have this longer trend here, line here. This is the overall trend. We only place longs as long as all the price action is above this long trend, which is a huge one. We're trading 4 minutes? Yeah, 4 minutes on the micro S&P. And we're above the trend, so we're in the positive trend. We're gonna place longs, and the bot is gonna keep buying as long as other indicators, the conditions of other indications are met, right? We have a very complex, predicted, simple algorithm here that it tells the bot when to buy as well. And then we have the another one is called AIC EMA slope. This kind of checks momentum of that trend, overall trend. We kind of constantly check the momentum. The momentum is positive, you know, the bot's gonna keep buying longs. If you have the auto trade, right? As long as you have the auto trade, not you're gonna get just signals. You can also pay just to get the signals, and you can place your own trades. But I have the license, and I'm allowed to place trades on behalf of customers. So feel free to do AI Systemics. The platform is pretty robust. We've been testing for more than 6 months now, and you get the latest version right now. All right, so that's where we are right now in that long. We'll see. We place a long here, and the target is around here. When the first target is around here, 142. So we're waiting for that to happen. Let's see here. In the past, what's been happening in the last couple of weeks. Let's see. This is a 4-minute chart, so you get a lot of signals. Let's start here. When was this? It was a nice. Oh, look at this trend. So what? January 15, we place a long here. We hit one target number 1, target number 2, and then because the stop order, the bot starts raising it kind of stop here. We place another long here, and here hit 1, 2, and 3 targets, and then stop out here. Then he placed another target, 1, 2, stop. The market went down. Another it went up here, long again. 1 target, stop. Then 1 target, 2 target, 3 target, 4 target. This was a really good, nice ride, right? 4 targets, and then the bot was out, and then he placed another long, 1 target, 2 targets, stop, and then he lost money here in this long. This long, you know, the bot predicted that it will rise. It's probably bad news there, and then went long and stopped, and he never got back in. Look, bot knows exactly when to get in, so it never got back in. Look, never. And then finally, when the trend resumed, the bot says, okay, I'm safe now. I'm gonna place more trades. Place a long, 1, stop, 1, 2 targets, stopped. So that's kind of the idea, that the bot predicts when you're gonna get in, when you should get in, based on 21 parameters that we have, and our own technical analysis, a very complex algorithm. And then he managed all the targets for you and all the stops for you. That's the benefit. You just get the alerts, and you just monitor the whole situation. All right, so let's see where this ends up. We're winning what, 156, 157 now, right now, with 6 contracts. We'll see if we can reach this target. So I'll keep you posted. It's been an hour since the market opened, and now you can see I got another alert. Target 1 hit, sold 2 contracts. So this is great news. We just hit the first contract. I mean the first target. That's the contract MES H25. And the price of the first target was set up by the bot at 61.41 with 21 cents, and it was hit at 10:05 Eastern time today, Friday. So great news. I got the alert. Now let's go to the actual desktop to see the trade. So it was placed by the bot here, 61.29, and now it just hit the first target there, 61.41, and you can see the stop. The stop order was raised, right? It was raised to the entry price now. So now it's protecting against any further losses. So, I mean, any losses, because right now we're all profits, right? We just hit the first target, but it went down a little bit, and it's trying now to reach the second target. The bot went ahead and placed a second target, and now the second target is sitting at 61.60 with 50 cents right there, waiting for another contract to be sold. And the stop here was raised to 61.29. So worst case, we already made money, and let's say that the market goes south, right, and it keeps losing, I mean it keeps going down, then we're gonna get stopped here, and we will have made at least profit on target 1. So we're good for today. Let's go and check AI Systemics right now. Let's see how it looks like. Back to AI Systemics main dashboard. Here I'm at positions in the menu here, positions. We still have 4 open. The bot still has 4 contracts open. This is real time. We're making $145 out of those. Let's see the P&L so far. P&L. So let's see P&L. We made today for the first target 2 contracts. We sold 2 contracts and we made $125 out of those 2 contracts. So you can track every day, every trade. You can track all the P&L. Now, in terms of orders, let's go and check the orders. All right, so we can see that the bot placed an order here. Let's see today. Yep, he placed a buy at 6 contracts. Then the second order was placed with a stop limit of 6,084, and those are the 6 contracts. The initial 6 contracts, we have a stop price there, and then the first target was placed at 61.42, and we just hit that one with 2 contracts. So if we go here, the field price 61.42, right, at 10:05, we just hit that target. So, and now the bot, what it did is it created new orders for you automatically, right? It raised the stock market. So see, the new order is now, the order is 4 contracts because we already hit 2. So 4 contracts at 29.75. That's the new price for the stock market. And then the next target is just 1 contract with a limit order at 61.60. We'll see if we can hit that. So the bot keeps track of all that for you, and it handles all the stop orders and the targets by limit orders all for you. So you don't have to worry about all that. And you're gonna keep getting alerts, right? You're gonna keep getting the alerts. So that's good. Let's go to positions again here. Yep, still, open. Four contracts still open. So we'll see. Don't forget to go to settings and enable the opt-in alerts and opt-in to text alerts as well, right? So you need to have those in order to get the alerts. Now, if you uncheck the opt-in auto trade, you're just gonna get the alerts and the signals, and you can place your own trades. But if you want AI Systemics to place the trades for you, we'll do it automatically. It's instantly placed into your brokerage account. So that's a good thing. And then you can check the balance, how growing here. So so far we made 2% today, not bad at all. So all right. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait and see how this Friday ends up being. So far positive. We hit 1 target. You can see the stop there, and the next target. So we'll see, is kind of pulling down a little bit. We'll see if we hit the stop price or not. And if it hits the stop price, then the bot is gonna decide if it's a good time and when it's gonna be a good time for the next one, right? So it's going down a little bit, but based on the 21, like I said, 21 indicators will tell you this at 81%. If the bot places an order for you, there's 81% probability that it's gonna be a successful trade. That's per the 20 years of backtesting data, right? So there's a good chance you're gonna get profit out of that trade. So just let the bot trade and trust the momentum algorithm. That's how we call it, S&P 500 momentum algorithm. All right, so I'm gonna let this end and see what happened today. But so far so good. For a Friday, we hit 1 target. And we have stopped, so they're placing it at the entry price, so we are not going to lose any money if this were to get stopped. We at least make the target number 1. Just got the alert, the stop order has been hit. So our second stop, right? Remember, we started way down here with the first stop, and then the bot raised the stop limit order, market order actually. It's a stop market order. It raised it at the entry price, and we just been stopped out. So, all right, good. We made T1. We touched T1, the first target. So that means that we made a profit. And then when we were stopped out here at the entry price, then we don't lose any more money. And I'm just gonna let the bot keep trading. And forget about it, right? So let's check. I should have received an alert from AI Systemics. Let's go and check that right now. There it is. There is the alert. Stop 2 triggers. So 4 contracts. Remember the 4 that were still open. because we entered with 6 contracts at 61.30.25. So we're stopped out, we're good, we made money. Let's check the balance, the P&L. Check the dashboard here. I'm at AI Systemics dashboard on the P&L section, and you can see we got 2 days. We sold 2 at target number 1 and we made $125 at 61.42, and then our stop was raised to the entry price, so we sold 4, making nothing, like $5, just because it's off by what, 25 cents of the price. It's just a market order, so that's why. So we kind of broke even on those 4. We made $5, cover the cost of the transaction. So total for today, 130 bucks. So see, that's that bar there. So that's how pretty much how the bot works, right? If the market turns south and you just forget about it, this the bot manages all the stop orders, so you're safe. So I'm happy with today's results, and money keeps accumulating. And then in the next order, the bot will calculate based on your risk how many contracts you're gonna be purchasing, and it's gonna place the new targets and the stop losses for you, and it's gonna manage all that. All right, let me know if you have any questions. This is it now. This is a full complete cycle. We got in the morning, then we reached target number 1, and then the stop price was raised, and then we got out and we got stop out. So full cycle I show you on how to do it here on the dashboard for AI Systemics. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.